If you'd like to know the steps to make this balloon wall, stay tuned. I'm the Balloon Coach and I'm back with another video. Today we're going to build an organic balloon wall. It's going to be lots of fun. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so today we're going to be using 4 different colors. We're going to use Deluxe Tropical Coral in 11-inch, 5-inch, and 18-inch. We're also going to use Deluxe Peach Blush in 11-inch, 5-inch, and 24-inch. Then we're going to use the Deluxe Purple Orchid in 11-inch and 5-inch. And then last but not least, we're going to use their Pastel Matte Yellow in 11-inch, 24-inch, and 5-inch. Let's start inflating the balloons. So I'm going to start to string them as garlands. If you guys don't know how to string a balloon garland, then let me know in the comments down below and I'll do a video for that. If you don't know how to string a garland, let me know and I'll put a video out there for you guys. So I pretty much constructed the balloon wall, and all it is garlands stacked on top of each other. And that's it. And then I've used rubber bands to pull the balloons like together to make it tight. I've just added rubber bands to like this balloon and then attached it to this balloon to fill in the gaps. These are the few pieces of floral that I have for this project. So I'm just going to start to stick them in different places. Thank you for tuning in to the Balloon Coach. Please like, comment, and subscribe.